Hello everyone, my name is AraOluwa and I'm one of the mentors for Circle 10. Shout out to Grad Explorers. So today I'm here to talk about how to handle rejection. So the first thing I want to say is learn to enjoy the process. So I know when you're applying to grad school, you care about two things, whether you get in or you don't. But the application process forces you to remember and celebrate your strengths and accomplishments, and it gives you an opportunity to reflect on your values and your goals. So don't dismiss the value of the process too as well. It's also important to have people in your corner. Don't do it alone. It's nice when you have wins, but when you also have to handle some of that rejection that's part of the process, it's nice to have a support system that can give you some perspective and also remind you of how amazing and talented you are. Don't take it personally. That's number 3. Like I said already, you're amazing, you've accomplished a lot, and you can be successful in different environments, and sometimes it might look different from how you initially imagined it. So celebrate the fact that you put yourself out there, which is a risky thing to do. And remember that nothing in life is guaranteed. Rejection is a part of life. And it just means that that opportunity was not meant to be. It's not a reflection on you and your ability. Then remember to take care of yourself, cheer yourself up, and don't beat yourself down. And then learn to grow from the experience. So always ask, how can I come back stronger? How can I iterate on my application or the things that I've done? How can I grow my skills? How can I give myself more time to work on different parts of the application and receive feedback? And how can I become more confident in telling my story and then in my abilities? So remember to enjoy the process, have people in your corner, don't take it personally, treat and take care of yourself, and grow from experience. Good luck.